Students, welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, not memorize. Get understanding, yes, as the name of the channel implies. You have to get understanding, you don't have to memorize, because understanding is fun and understanding is power. Yes. So far, this is a continuation of a series of lessons on regular polygons. Yes, on regular polygons. In the previous video or lesson, we look at what the sum of exterior angles, sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon. Sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon, and we learned that always, irrespective of the number of sides of the regular polygon, always the sum of the exterior angles will give you what? Will give you 360 degrees. And we also realize that the sum of the exterior angles and what? Interior angles always will go to what? 180 degrees. The sum of interior angles and exterior angles of the sum of an interior angle and an exterior angle of a regular polygon is always equal to 180 degrees. So yes, that's, and then we also realize that always the number of sides of the polygon is always equal to the number of interior angles and is equal to the number of what? Exterior angles. Yes. So we said we took this equilateral triangle as an example, that we said that this equilateral triangle has what? Three sides that are equal. And because it has three sides, the number of interior angles are also what? 3. The number of interior angles is also what? 3, and the number of exterior angles is also what? Is also 3. Yes, and we also took the quadrilateral square, which is what? The regular polygon, with all sides being equal. And we said that the square has what? 4 sides, and it has 4 interior angles as well as 4 exterior angles. Yes. So that is what we said in the previous lesson. So guys, this is the continuation of what? Of the lesson. So let us continue. Yes, so we are saying that this is a continuation. Yes. So we are saying again, that's the question. What do you notice then? So what do you notice? So what do you notice? We said, as we said, sum of an interior angle IN, interior angle denoted by IN, and an exterior angle denoted by ES is equal to what? 180 degrees. Yes. Always if you have a regular polygon, if you sum an interior, one of the interior angle, you add it to one of the exterior angle, will be always be equal to what? 180 degrees. Yes. And we have to know that at every vertex there will only be one interior angle as well as one exterior angle. You cannot have at a time you only have what? One interior angle and one exterior angle at a particular vertex. So this is an interior angle here, and then this angle is also what? An exterior angle at this vertex. Yes. So that is it. Okay, guys. So we say that sum of an interior angle IN and what? An exterior angle ES will give you what? 180 degrees. So let us sum all that we have considered, all the properties of what the regular polygons that we have considered. So it's very important. So we are saying that what? Number one, what we have to note, number one is all the interior angles of a regular polygon are equal. Yes. For a regular polygon, all the interior angles, we say interior angle, the angles that are inside the polygon, all the angles are they are equal. They are the same. And all the exterior angles are also equal. Yes. All the exterior angles are also equal. So if you equilateral triangle, this is what? CT, this one will be 120. All for an equilateral triangle, all the interior angles will be what? 60 each. And all the exterior angles will also be what? 120 each. Okay? Yeah. So we are saying that the number of sides n is equal to the number of interior angles IN, and is equal to what? The number of exterior angles ES. Yes. The number of sides n of a regular polygon is always equal to the number of interior angles IN, and is also equal to the number of exterior angles ES. And then summary number 4, the sum of an interior angle IN and an exterior angle ES is equal to 180 degrees. So what we are saying, if you add an exterior angle to an interior angle in a regular polygon, you get what? 180 degrees. Yes, guys, I hope this is very, very important. These are the key things we are going to use to solve questions. So it's very important for you to understand these things very well, guys. So make sure you understand. If you have not subscribed, guys, then subscribe to the channel, that to let me know that you understand. If you have any question, you can also let me know in the comment section. Okay, yes. So let us continue. We are looking at the summary, the important thing you have to note. All that all that we have considered or not about regular polygon. So we are saying that number 5, the sum of all the interior angles of any side of any side regular polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180. And we see where we said that this n minus 2, what does n is what the number of sides. N minus 2 means the number of triangles that can be formed from that polygon. And then so we are saying that, for example, if we take a square as a regular, which is a regular polygon, how many triangles can be formed from the square? So that you can form only 2 triangles. And if you are forming 2 triangles from this 2 triangles, so the number of triangles that can be formed from this square is what 2. How is the same as the number of sides, which is 4 minus what? 4 minus 2. And we are saying that this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. Each of the triangles has sum of the angles to be equal to 180 degrees. So this one will give you 180. This one will also give you 180. So if I want to find the sum of the interior angles of a square, then it's the same as what? The 2 times what? The same as the sum of the interior angles in this first triangle, and the interior angles in the second triangle. So it's the same as, which is one is 180, and this is 180 plus 2 times 180. Okay, which is the same as 180 plus what? 180. If you also like, you can also find the sum, which is 90 plus 90, and this one is 90, and this one is also 90. Have you seen? So 4 times 9, which is 36, then you get 36 degrees. So whether you sum each of them or use this formula, which is the number of sides, then the number of triangles that can be formed. Number of sides minus 2, which gives the number of triangles that can be formed. I mean, the regular problem, we just multiply by 180 to get the sum. Yes, we are saying that yes, it's equal to what? N minus 2. That is what? The sum of the interior angles, IN S is equal to what? N minus 2 times what? 180. 180 is the same as 2 times 90. So we can write it as what? N minus 2 times what? 2 bracket 90. Now, mind you, 90 is what? 90 means what? Right angle. 90 is a right angle. So we are saying the same as N minus 2 times 2 right angles, guys. Yes, guys, have to hope you are enjoying. So this is number 6. The size or value of each interior angle of a regular polygon is given by N minus 2 times 180 over n. Guys, this is very simple. This is very, you know that the number of each of all the interior angles are equal. The interior angles of a regular polygon as well as the exterior angles, they are equal. So this is 90 degrees. This is 90. For instance, this square, this is 90. This is 90. Each of the interior angles is what? 90 degrees. So if you add them, you get 90. That's, you sum the 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, which is equal to what? 90 4 times what? Which is 4 times 90, which is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, you get 360. Have you seen? So if I want each of the angle, each of the interior angle, is it the same as this 360 divided by 4? So which is the number of the sum divided by what? The number of sides. Yes, the sum. That's what we are saying here. So the sum divided by the number of sides, then we get each of the interior angles. Each of the interior angles, because all the interior angles are equal. If you want to get each of the interior angles, you just divide the sum by the number of sides and get each of them. Have you seen? Yes. So this each of them, this is 90, 90, 90, 90, for instance. So if you want, if you add them, you get 360. Obviously, you get 4 is 4 times 90. Where 4 is the number of sides. So you get what? 360. Okay, so if you want each of the interior angles, just dividing the sum by matter of dividing the sum by 4, number of sides, you get what? 90 degrees. Get it back. Okay? Yes, guys. So yes, that is very, very interesting and understandable and enjoyable, guys. Yes, so let's just continue. So yes, guys, let's continue. If you have not subscribed, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon so that if additional videos are uploaded, you'll be notified automatically. So yes, guys, so we want to look at the proof that each of the interior angles is equal to what? N minus 2 times 180 over n. So yes, so we are saying that if any sided regular polygon has the following n interior angles, so we are assuming that there's a regular polygon which has this exterior angle. The first exterior angle is S1, second one is S2, third one S2, up to what? Sn, where Sn is the nth interior angle. So if you have 3, if the polygon has 3 sides, then this one will be S3, meaning that the third interior angle. Then the sum of the angles is what? You know that if you want to find the sum of the interior angles given by the number of sides, subtract 2 from it, then multiply by 180. So this n minus 2 give you the number of triangles that can be formed. Yes. So then the sum is this, and the sum is the same as summing the interior angles one by one. Have you seen? Yeah. So as we said, use the square as an example. Use the square in the previous video. So this one is what? Is the square. We know that this is 90 degrees. This is 90, and this is 90. This is 90. Have you seen the sum of the interior angles? We know that the same as what the number of triangles that can be formed, which is what 2, 1 and 2. So this is any number of triangles is what the number of sides minus 2 times 180 will give you the sum, which is what 2 times 180. Have you seen? And we get 360 degrees. So we are saying that which is equal to what 360 degrees. In other words, you can it's the same as what 90 plus 90, summing each of them plus 90. So this is the same as what? This 4 minus 2, which is n minus 2, times what? 180, we get the same thing. So that is what we are doing here. That in this case, we are summing each of the angles, interior angles, so S1, S2, S2 is add S1 plus up to Sn. And the same as what? The number of triangles that can be formed times 180, which is given by the number of sides minus 2 times 180. Yes, but what do we do? We know that all the interior angles are equal. But we are saying about all the interior angles are equal. So it means that x1 is equal to s2, is equal to s3, is equal to what? S4, up to 1, is equal to Sn, is equal to x. Or they are equal. Hence, the sum will be given by what? S1 is x, S2 is x, S3 is s. So the same as s plus s plus s plus s. So how many times? If you have 3 times, then s plus s. If the polygon has 3 sides, it will be what? 3s. So not 3 times number of sides. So, but we are having n size in general. So we have s plus s plus s plus s. How many times? N times, and it will give you what? The number of triangles that can be formed times 180. So what is n times x? Is what? Nx. So n times, which is n times s, is equal to ns, and is equal to what? N minus 2 times 180 what? 180 degrees. So if you want to find each of them, which is x, which is x1, s2, s2, s3, and it's equal to x, each of them, then we just make this x the subject. So you get n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, divide 2 by n, you get this. Okay? Yeah, so guys, that is the proof that the sum of each that is the proof that each interior angle of a regular polygon is given by the sum divided by the number of sides. Okay? Yes, so guys, this is very understandable and very simple. Hope you are enjoying. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section. Keep your comments coming, guys. Yes, so but if you are benefiting, then let me know that you are benefiting. Okay, so number 7, you are saying that in the previous lesson, that was number 6, we said that the sum of the interior angles of an regular polygon will give us what? Give us n minus 2 times what? 180. And if you want each of them, it is what? N minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Here we are saying that sum of all the interior angles of an n-sided regular polygon is what? Is 360 degrees, as we illustrated in the previous video. So sum of all the exterior angles EX S is equal to 360 degrees. So if you want to, and then you know that each of the exterior angles are also what? All the exterior angles, they are also the same. Have you seen? All the exterior angles are also what? Are also the same. So this exterior angle is equal to this exterior angle, is equal to this exterior angle. Just as the interior angles are the same, all the exterior angles are also the same. So this one, as we said, this quadrilateral, equilateral, this is 60. Each of the interior angles was 60 degrees, and each of the exterior angle will give me 120 degrees. Have you seen? If I want to find the number of the sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles of this equilateral triangle, you will get 120 plus 120, plus what? 120, which is what? 3 times what? 120, okay? Which is equal to what? Which is equal to 360 degrees. Have you seen? So if supposing I know that the sum of this quadrilateral is what? 360. If I want to get each of the exterior, so this is what you mean, that the sum of the exterior angles is giving us what? 360. So if I know that the sum of the exterior angles will give me 360, if I want each of them, how do? I divide it by the number of sides n, which is equal to 3 in this case. Have you seen? So the same as this 3 times, which is 120 divided by what? The number of sides 3. So you get what? 120 degrees. Have you seen? Get 120 degrees. So we are saying that the size or value of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is given by what? 360 divided by n. And then we know first, as we have said, if you sum the sum of all the exterior angles, irrespective of the number of sides of polygon, give you what? 360 degrees. So if you want each of the side, each of the angle of the regular polygon is given by what? 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. Have you seen? Yes. So that is what we are saying here. Okay. So let us see the next page for the proof. We are going to prove and see the proof in the next page, guys. Yes, this is very understandable and enjoyable, guys. Yes, don't have to memorize. You have to get understand the name of the channel implies. Yes, because understanding is fun and understanding is power. Yes, with understanding you can do. So proof. You are proving that each of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is what? 360 degrees divided by what? Divided by number of sides. Okay. So we are saying that if any sided regular polygon has the following n interior exterior angles. So we are considering an n-sided regular polygon with exterior angles x1, x2, x3, up to what? Sn, because the number of sides is what? N. So if it is 3, then first exterior angle will be E1. Sorry, this is E. Sorry, E1, E2, E3 up to En. EX. Okay, yeah, ESN. Exterior, EX. We are denoting the exterior angle by EX. So we are saying that if any sided regular polygon has the following n exterior angles, ES1, ES2, ES3, then up to ESN, the number of sides, then the sum of these angles is what? 360. You know, we have established that, we have learned or proved that the sum of the exterior angles will always give us what? 360 degrees, irrespective of the number of sides. So if that is the case, then if we sum all these exterior angles, we have to get 360 degrees. So the first exterior angle ES1 plus ES2 plus ES3 plus up to ESN, which is the last exterior angle. If you sum them, you have to get 360, as we have already learned. And then we are saying that what? You know, however, that what? ES1, all the exterior angles, they are equal. So the first ES1, which is the first exterior angle, is the same as ES2, second exterior is equal. They are all the same. Everything, they are the same. Yes, so we are saying that the sum is given by ES1, ES2 up to what? 360 degrees. So, but we are saying that what? We are saying, but all those angles are equal. So ES1, ES2, ES3 equal up to ES, and they are all equal to ES. Have you seen? Yes. So we say that if you add it will be what? EX plus ES plus ES up to what? Yes, that's what we have written here. Those imply that this sum, ES1 plus ES2 plus ES3 plus ES4 up to ES, and the same as what? It will be ES plus ES plus ES plus ES plus EX up to what? Up to the n term. Up to the up to the number of sides n. Then it will what? It will give you 360 degrees. Have you seen? So it means that ES plus ES plus ES. If we have only 3, if the number of sides is 3, then we get 3 ES. Is that not so? So if the number of sides is n, then it means that we sum this up to the n, or the n, you sum it n times. You sum the ES, the exterior angle, n times. So we get n dot ES. And the sum will be n ES, and it goes to 360 degrees. Have you seen? This is what we have. So if you want to find each of the exterior angle ES is equal to what? 360 degrees divided by what? N. Yes, that's what we are saying. Hence, we have each of the exterior angles equals to the sum, which is 360 divided by what? N. So what we do, we can say here, guys? We are saying that the sum of the interior angles is given by n minus 2 times what? 180. And each of the interior angles, all of them are equal. So if you want each one of them, it just the sum divided by the number of sides will give me one of the interior angles. The same way, if I sum all the exterior angles, I'll get what? 360 degrees. Have you seen? So if I want one of the exterior angles, I just have to divide 360, the sum by the number of sides n. Now I'll get just one of the exterior angles. Guys, this is very interesting and understandable. Hope you are following. Understanding is fun. Understanding is power. As the name of the channel implies, get understanding. Don't remember your understanding is focus of this channel, guys. But after we have thoroughly considered this topic, we are going to look at solve final what's the exam question, solve final exam question. Okay, but it's going to be interesting and enjoyable. So, guys, if you really understand, then subscribe to let me know. Hit the bell notification icon. Whatever question you have or any confusion that you have, let me in fact know it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you and answer you, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.